4 vegetables that become healthier after cooking. Many of us tend to think that eating vegetables raw is always the healthiest choice, but some vegetables actually react very well to cooking, and the nutritional value increases a lot when we cook them. In this video, I will explain which vegetable and what is the best way to cook them. Tomatoes are probably the most famous example. Tomatoes contain a powerful antioxidant called Lycopene, which is linked to reduced risk of cancer and heart disease. Studies show that cooking tomatoes can increase the lycopene content by up to 164%. Even though we lose a bit of vitamin C during this process, the dramatic rise in lycopene makes up for it. Another interesting point is that adding olive oil to cooked tomatoes significantly increases lycopene absorption. One study found that 82% increase in blood lycopene levels in people who ate cooked tomatoes with olive oil. This is another reason why the Mediterranean diet is considered one of the healthiest in the world. Another food that benefits from cooking is beetroot. Beets contain natural compounds that improve blood flow, support healthy arteries, and reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Cooking softens the texture of beets and improves the absorption of their natural nitrates, a compound that plays a key role in blood vessel health. Next is carrot. Carrots is an excellent source of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, essential for vision and immune function. Studies show that more beta-carotene is absorbed when we eat cooked and mashed carrots compared to raw ones. Another food is spinach. Spinach, known as a source of iron. Popeye built a whole career on spinach, but the iron in spinach is actually not very available, meaning it's not absorbed well. That is because spinach contains oxalic acid that bind to minerals like iron and calcium and prevent their absorption. Cooking spinach significantly reduces the oxalate content, improving the absorption of iron and other minerals. One study found that boiling spinach for 15 minutes reduced the total oxalic acid content by 30 to 87%. So what is the best way to cook these vegetables? In general, steaming is the best method. Steaming doesn't reach very high temperature. It keeps the vegetable flavor and it doesn't significantly damage the nutrients. Another good method is stir frying the vegetables for a few minutes. It is less recommended to cook vegetables at very high temperatures, like in the oven. Except for root vegetables like carrot, beets, and sweet potatoes, dry heat concentrates the flavors and improves the availability of carotenoids. The bottom line, the goal is not to cook every vegetable we eat, but simply to diversify. Whole, fresh, and unprocessed food have many benefits, but there is also value in cooking certain vegetables to improve nutrients absorption. If you like the video, you can push the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.